guys? Welcome back to Luke Ecker's Woodworking. I'm Luke Ecker, and today we're learning what a French cleat is and how to build and install one. Let's get started. So today we're making and installing a French cleat for hacksaw blades. A French cleat is a piece of wood cut at a 45-degree angle, and the 45-degree angle bevel mounts to the wall like so, and this piece of wood with your 45-degree angle mounts like that, and this part, the top, that's not screwed onto the wall, has your tools on it, and you cut it in sections for what you want. Right now I'm cutting this to length. Now I'm going to turn this to a 45-degree angle and set it so I can cut the bevel. So I got this board clamped with a fence so it's straight, and I got my saw at a 45-degree angle. So let's do this. I'm going to place this bag real quick. I'll grab the 5 amp hour battery. I'm going to try not to cut into my 3-position box. So I got the bevel cut, and this is going to get mounted to the wall, and there's 3 grout lines along, so this is going to get mounted like that. And it's easier to drill into the grout than the actual brick. So let's do that now. Okay, so now I'm drilling the holes into the grout with my hammer drill. Then you want to pound the anchors into there, and then do that with all of them. So I mounted it, but I still have a couple more holes to drill, and I drilled through the wood into the brick, so it's a perfect match. So it lines up right. Now I just gotta take this screw out. Since that screw is out, I have the hole to mount this, but I have to hollow it out a little bit more. There's the piece that goes to the wall mounted. So I got the first one mounted, and I got the main part, the bottom part mounted, and I mount where I screw where the two screws go, where I want it and how it will sit, and that's how my saw sits right now. And now I'm going to do the hammer. So this is the French cleat, and this piece gets into like that, and it can't fall out that way. It can't fall out going this way because it's hitting the wall. And that's how all these tools are held up. And I think it looks pretty good so far. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. And be sure to check out my Instagram page. It's Luke Eckers Woodworking. Link will be in the description. And I'll see you guys next time.